here on the 75 Fleetwood, we're getting ready to remove the old plugged up VIR, and then we're going to evac our system, charge her with R12 when we put the new style accumulator in. Good day. So first thing we're gonna do, get all our lines off up here. Plugging away already. It is hot, humid, and gross here today, boys and girls. Still a wee bit of pressure in there. That's promising. Alright, so VIR's out. Newer style accumulator is in. Very simple. The accumulator itself rotates, so you can set it up on your evaporator outlet first, and then you can put your line for the compressor here. And then here's your evaporator inlet. Here's your condenser hose, and here's your oil bleed. And it all goes together just like that. It's really simple. Real quick, easy installation. All right, so we're charging our system. Good old R12. That's what we prefer. Real nice. All right, we're all charged up. It's like mid-60s out of the vents, but it's also 110 outside and stupidly humid, and we're sitting here idling. So, go for a drive, see what you do. Alright, so got the AC charged up in the Caddy on this hot, humid, sticky day here. It's north of 100 outside and really humid. So when it's humid, obviously the AC system does not cool as much as it dries. It does have to dry out the air before it can cool. But right now we are at, and this is just sitting here idling, and it's like 105 outside, and we are at 50, like 50, 55 out of the vent. On a nice dry day, that'll be much cooler. But it's working good. She's full of R12. She runs good. I did take her around the block a few times with the air on to kind of give her some exercise. See how humid it is? Look at the condensation. Wow, wait.